After their last success, Bunny and Porcupine were resting under the old oak tree. Sudden, magical gust of wind blows, and an old parchment falls from a hollow branch.
Look at this! It's glowing! What is it? The Whispering Waterfall! We found it! It's really shimmering! Let's go pack!
They take their first steps into the deep forest as colorful birds chirp around them. They climb a tall hill, and from the top, they see a silvery line shining in the distance.
Look! Look! That must be the magical waterfall!
They descend the hill and enter the Valley of Giant Flowers, where flowers are taller than trees. The flowers are so big they can hide under them. Beautiful glowing butterflies flutter by. Suddenly, a magical pollen falls from a flower, making them feel very sleepy.
We can't sleep now! We have a mission to finish!
They exit the valley and find themselves on a narrow, rocky mountain path. The sunlight hits the rocks, making them sparkle like diamonds.
That looks impossible to cross!
To pass, you must sing a song that comes truly from the heart.
Together we are strong, our friendship lights the way.
The birds fly happily and form a living bridge with vines for the duo to cross. They walk carefully across the vine bridge as white clouds float beneath their feet.
Greetings, small creatures! Do not be alarmed by my appearance. I am the guardian of this forest, and I welcome you.
To go further, you must leave something precious behind at my roots.
The tree rewards them with a golden key that floats gently in the air. They move forward and feel a cool, refreshing breeze hitting their faces.
Do you hear that? The water is telling stories!
They reach a stream where the water is as white and pure as liquid silver. Magical mushrooms line the path, making musical ding sounds when stepped on. Finally, they stand before the magnificent, towering Whispering Waterfall. The waterfall is so high that the top is hidden inside the swirling clouds.
Wow! Look back there! I can't believe it! Let's go!
The door groans open, and a brilliant blue light spills out from within. Bunny looks into a mirror and sees a vision of their very first adventure together. Porcupine looks into another and sees the day their friendship first began. They both get emotional and share a smile, realizing how far they have come. In the center of the cave is a crystal clear pond that is perfectly still. An ancient magical turtle emerges from the water with stars glowing on its shell.
You did not seek gold. You sought memories.
You?
He presents them with a magical frame that sparkles like 1,000 diamonds.
In this frame, every new memory of your friendship will be kept safe forever.
Bunny holds the frame, and a picture of the two of them appears inside it instantly. The cave walls begin to turn into a warm, glowing gold color.
Thank you, mighty guardian.
We shall not forget your wisdom.
Go now. The portal awaits.
The forest outside has changed. It is now filled with a magical, golden light. They begin their journey home, feeling energetic and full of joy.
Welcome back, little ones. I knew you would return for your gifts.
The blue birds fly above them, escorting them all the way back to their village.
Welcome home, you saved us! It's good to be back, everyone! You have found the only treasure that never fades away.
Bunny hangs the magical frame on the wall of his cozy little home. The whole room lights up with the glowing memories of their friendship.
Okay, so we go here, then sneak past the farmer's prize-winning cabbage patch.
And the giant carrot is right here at the X. This is brilliant! The moon, filled with all the berries we can carry.
It's brilliant! Let's do it!
Bunny and Porcupine fall into a deep, peaceful sleep, side by side.
Friendship is the greatest adventure of all!
The screen fades to the end. Subscribe for more stories and watch the next adventure.